Okay, so check it out. Here's my little Paya Cable car again. So when I put a Lionel handcar motor in, and as a few people correctly pointed out to me, it's running in the wrong direction. I looked up some videos, and the operator does stand here in the open end car between the two benches as he operates it. It's really neat how they work. The cable runs underneath the track all along the city, and the cable operator just pushes some levers and it grabs a hold of the cable, and away it goes. So anyway, I switched everything around. I got the headlight where it should be, and then pulled the motor out and switched it around and re-glued it. Put the tail light back where it is, and there's also the LED strip in there. So we're going to take it for a spin and show you that I got it going in the right direction. And I didn't realize too that these are bells. They're always ringing as the car's going around through the intersections and things. So here we go. Pull that back there a little bit. There we go. And just for fun, we'll add another trolley. This one's powered by a Marx motor. Same company though, Paya, they're tinplate. And we follow them around. You see the Marx motor is a little faster than the Lionel one. Set it back down. And we'll add some subway cars. Oh, my Marx one caught up with it now. Okay. Problem solved. I'm glad I straightened that out. That's what I get, again, for not doing my research first. But anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget Jesus is Lord.